Are you ready to make the most of your golden years? Raleigh, North Carolina, and the Triangle area have become premier destinations for retirees, thanks to their vibrant 55-plus communities filled with resort-style amenities, low-maintenance living, and everything you need to live your best life. But here's the catch. What if choosing the wrong community leaves you with unexpected costs or missing out on the lifestyle you've always dreamed of? Stick with me as I take you through the top 55-plus communities in Wake County. Plus, I'll share how we recently helped a home buyer find their dream home in one of these incredible communities. And trust me, the last one might just surprise you. Wake County isn't just a place to call home. It's a lifestyle designed for active adults. From its mild climate to top-tier healthcare and a vibrant social scene, it's no wonder retirees are flocking here. Imagine spending your mornings exploring scenic parks, afternoons strolling through bustling farmers markets, and evenings teeing off at a local golf course. Wake County offers the perfect balance of relaxation, connection, and convenience, making it an ideal destination for your next chapter. Now let's dive into the top 55-plus communities that make Wake County stand out. Imagine starting your day in a community that feels like a vacation. At Carolina Arbors by Del Webb, every detail is designed with you in mind. Luxurious pools, tennis courts, and a calendar packed with social events to keep you engaged. And the best part? It's just minutes from Research Triangle Park, giving you the perfect mix of staying connected and fully relaxed. Whether it's staying active, making new connections, or simply enjoying the lifestyle you've earned, this community truly has it all. Imagine a community where every day feels like a retreat. Welcome to the Courtyards at Heritage Grove, an 𝐓𝐞 community designed for active adults. Here, homes are thoughtfully arranged around beautifully landscaped courtyards, creating a sense of privacy and connection. With resort-style amenities like a clubhouse, pool, and fitness center, plus opportunities for socializing and community events, it's more than just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. Perfect for those seeking low-maintenance living, this is the ideal spot for retirees and active adults looking to truly enjoy their next chapter. Imagine a place where your days are filled with ease, connection, and endless opportunities. Welcome to Carolina Gardens by Del Webb, a vibrant 55-plus community in southwest Wake County, North Carolina. Here, beautifully landscaped homes meet low-maintenance living with lawn care and exterior repairs taken care of for you. Dive into a lifestyle that includes a clubhouse, fitness center, and sparkling pool, or join in on countless community events and activities designed to keep you engaged. With convenient access to shopping, dining, and medical facilities in Cary and Raleigh, Carolina Gardens offers everything you need to truly enjoy your golden years. Picture this, waking up each day in a community designed to help you thrive. At Del Webb at Traditions in Wake Forest, you'll discover state-of-the-art fitness facilities, scenic walking trails, and homes that blend luxury with practicality. The amenity center is the heart of it all, featuring an indoor pool, fitness center, arts and crafts room, and even a coffee bar. With tennis and pickleball courts, a lifestyle director organizing events, and hundreds of clubs to join, you'll never run out of ways to stay active and connected. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the 50-plus miles of greenway trails and the nearby Wake Forest Reservoir Park, making every day an opportunity to embrace the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Welcome to Regency at Holly Springs, a 55-plus active adult community that perfectly blends luxury, comfort, and connection. Located in the charming town of Holly Springs, North Carolina, this exceptional neighborhood offers beautifully designed luxury homes that you can customize to suit your unique style. Residents enjoy exclusive access to private amenities, including a clubhouse, pool, and fitness center, as well as social memberships at the prestigious 12 Oaks Country Club. Here, your days can be filled with rounds of golf, relaxing afternoons by the pool, or connecting with neighbors at vibrant community events. Regency at Holly Springs isn't just a place to live, it's a place to thrive and truly enjoy life to the fullest. Step into a life where urban energy meets tranquil retreat at Regency at Old Town in Raleigh, North Carolina. This exclusive 55-plus active adult community offers everything you need to elevate your lifestyle. Resort-style amenities like a private clubhouse, sparkling pool, fitness center, and pickleball courts, all thoughtfully designed for your comfort and enjoyment. Just minutes from downtown Raleigh, you'll have easy access to shopping, dining, and top-notch medical facilities, all while embracing the freedom of a low-maintenance lifestyle. Choose from elegant home designs and personalize your space to match your vision, creating a home that's uniquely yours. At Regency at Old Town, luxury and convenience come together to create the perfect setting for your next chapter. Time is running out at the Encore at Wendell Falls, one of the most vibrant 55-plus communities in Wendell, North Carolina. With only a few homes remaining, this neighborhood is designed for those ready to embrace active, carefree living. Picture yourself spending mornings relaxing in expanded outdoor living spaces, afternoons enjoying the 3,500 square foot clubhouse or resort-style pool, and evenings strolling the scenic hiking trails at Lake Oliver. From pickleball courts to cozy fire pits perfect for gathering with neighbors, Encore at Wendell Falls offers a lifestyle where thoughtful design meets endless opportunities for connection and adventure. Don't miss your chance to make this incredible community your home. Picture yourself in a home crafted for ease, comfort, and connection. Welcome to High Ridge in Fuquay-Varina, a 55-plus 𝐓𝐞 community designed for active adults. These thoughtfully designed single-family homes feature elegant finishes, open layouts filled with natural light, and private patios perfect for entertaining or quiet evenings under the stars. With extra-wide doorways and minimal steps, these homes are ideal for now and into retirement. Nestled in a serene countryside setting just minutes from Fuquay-Varina's charming downtown, High Ridge offers a maintenance-free lifestyle, freeing up your time to explore local shops, restaurants, and attractions. Plus, with easy access to Holly Springs, Apex, and Raleigh, you're never far from even more dining, shopping, and cultural experiences. High Ridge is more than just a home, it's a vibrant lifestyle designed for your next chapter. Every 55-plus community offers its own unique charm, tailored to different lifestyles and dreams. Picture yourself unwinding by a sparkling resort-style pool, perfecting your swing on a scenic golf course, or enjoying intimate gatherings with neighbors who quickly become lifelong friends. These communities aren't one-size-fits-all. Home prices vary by location, size, and amenities, making it essential to prioritize what truly matters to you. Is it state-of-the-art fitness facilities, an active social calendar, or a home nestled near your dream golf course? Maybe it's about being close to loved ones or having access to great dining and shopping nearby. With so many options, finding the right fit can feel overwhelming, but that's where I come in. Let's explore together and discover the community that feels just right for you so you can truly live your best life. Choosing the right 55-plus community is about so much more than amenities. It's about finding the perfect place to truly live your life. Do you want to stay close to loved ones, or is easy access to shopping, dining, and world-class healthcare at the top of your list? Maybe you're envisioning a community buzzing with activities where social calendars are filled with opportunities to connect and stay engaged. These are the decisions that go beyond checklists. They define your daily life and happiness. By answering these key questions, you'll uncover a community that isn't just a place to live, but a place to thrive. Finding the perfect home in Wake County doesn't have to be overwhelming. As a local real estate expert, I've guided countless clients to their dream homes, and I know the ins and outs of these incredible communities. Whether it's uncovering hidden gems or finding a place that fits your lifestyle and budget, I'm here to make the process seamless and stress-free. Let's work together to find the perfect place for your next chapter. It all starts with a conversation. So, are you ready to find your dream community? Wake County's 55-plus communities truly have it all, offering a range of lifestyles from resort-style amenities to intimate boutique-style neighborhoods. Imagine mornings on the golf course, afternoons by the pool, or evenings spent building connections with new friends. But here's the thing, choosing the right community isn't just about the amenities. It's about finding a home that aligns perfectly with your vision for this next exciting chapter. Together, let's make that vision a reality. As someone who knows Wake County inside and out, I'm here to help you navigate the options, uncover hidden opportunities, and make sure your move is one you'll celebrate for years to come. If you're ready to explore these incredible communities or have questions about where to start, give me a call at 919-607-4844 or click the link in the description to schedule a time to chat. Together, we'll find the perfect home that fits your lifestyle, budget, and future goals. Let's make this next chapter your best yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's to living your best life in a community you'll love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate tips and updates. We ask that you leave comments below, and Phil Slezak Real Estate is brokered by LPT Realty.